Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm chrishanxoxo. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Let's talk about hair health and hair growth today. I probably got my hair from my mom. I got, flat, straight, and pretty thin hair almost like in my entire life. And my mom started to see her hair thinning and started to lose some of her hair after 45-ish. So for me, after 30, especially, I am turning 36 this year, I started to worry about my hairline, my hair volume, and hair health overall. I've been exploring a lot of different hair care products, hair care devices. As you can see from my channel, I've been trying different things. But I really need something that can be naturally integrated in my everyday, hair care routine, something easy but something effective. So I saw this brand Laduora about a year ago and I was interested. So this time I finally got my hands on their product, this dual scalp and hair care device. This is the first ever pod-based hair care device and I've been using it for about a month. So in this video, I am going to talk about what happened with my hair after I tried Laduora Duo in the past months. So here you can see this is my hair in February, early February. Honestly, I started to see some receding hairline and thinning hair. To be honest, my hair wasn't terrible entirely. I still have pretty healthy hair, but I don't have enough volume. I definitely wanted to bring it to the next level, fuller, thicker, healthier hair. For me, the sign was not that good because I have been seeing, a lot of loose hair on my pillow, on the floor of my bathroom, especially after I wash my hair. I just feel like I gotta do something for my hair to fix it. After consistently using Laduora Duo for a full month, I think I use it almost 5 times a week, just once a day. And I started to see real results, real difference. From my before and after, you can definitely see that my hair is longer, fuller, and thicker. So it happened in just about a month. I can see, less loose hair pieces on my pillow in my bathroom, and the hairline looks fuller. I think the difference is very visible already. So with the improvement on the hair volume and the hairline, I feel like I can, work on my hair, style my hair differently. It just makes the whole routine and my styling routine easier than before. So in my hand, this is the Laduora Duo device. So before Laduora Duo, I haven't tried any pod-based scalp and hair care device, and this is my first time. You know what? I was actually skeptical about it because it's still a new thing, a newer technology. I was not so sure if this one would work for my hair or not because everyone's hair is different. But after the first month, this device turned out to be great because it's very easy to use and it's also very effective. As you can see, this device looks just like a hairbrush. And it's not so intimidating like a lot of other hair care devices. It's compact, it looks sleek, and it's pretty lightweight as a device. In the past months, I've been really consistent with this device and I've been using it so much in my routine. I just, really got used to it and liked the experience as well as the result. I can't complain anything about it. I'm going to show you this device and all the features in details. Let's just take a closer look at it. Laduora Duo is a 4-in-1 device. That means it has 4 different features for hair growth and hair care. It uses real light therapy, microcurrent stimulation, warming scalp massage, and most importantly, this elixir pod delivery system. It has all the powerful features, in this sleek, compact device. This is to promote stronger and visibly fuller looking hair from the comfort of your home. The Duo delivers therapeutic light energy through its red LEDs to energize and revitalize the follicles while promoting hair growth. It uses a gentle microcurrent energy to stimulate dormant hair follicles and lengthen the growth phase of your hair, which is really important for healthy hair growth. You can do your at-home scalp massage with the powerful and gentle vibration in this device, and this is one of my favorite features of Duo. This vibration helps relieve stress and reduce tension on the scalp, which is very comfortable. If you get to try Duo, you will definitely like this feature. Again, this is a pod-based hair care device. Its elixir pod delivery system is very unique. Each hair elixir pod in the middle is packed with results-driven ingredients. By saying that, I mean the pod elixir, the serum in the pod, is formulated with effective ingredients to target all your hair concerns. This elixir pod delivery system is scientifically proven to infuse ingredients 10 times deeper than other traditional, regular hair care products. Here's a package of the Duo pod. All pods are plant-based, safe and efficient for all hair types. They're cruelty-free and silicone-free. So this is the pod. Each pod can last about 12 to 15 treatments. In your Duo device kit, you have your Duo pod. When it's out, you can always replenish with the Duo pods, this separate package. Here I have a Boost Duo pod in my hand. This is a water-based hair densifying serum, which is formulated with a complex of peptides, niacinamide, caffeine, ginseng root, and tea tree leaf extracts to boost cell renewals and to target multiple root causes for hair thinning or hair loss. And the texture of the serum is very lightweight, it's non-greasy. You can style your hair after using this product. So the technology is packed in this Duo device, and the ingredients in its elixir, in the serum, are all backed by science and trusted by leading dermatologists and estheticians. If you do a little bit more research online, you'll see a lot of hair influencers, lifestyle influencers are using this Duo device as well. And I got so much inspiration from a lot of other creators. So that's why I got interested in this Laduora Duo in the first place. You know what? One of the most amazing things about Duo is that there is absolutely zero mess during your treatment. You literally can cut your hair care routine in half with much better results, which is so amazing. So here's my routine with Duo. I use Duo before bed 5 times a week. This is a rechargeable device, so it's cordless when you use it. You can move around freely without a cord. It's very easy to use. It's great for all hair types. Here you can see the medical grade LEDs. This is like a ring of LEDs. And here you can see the treatment teas. They're very gentle but very effective. Here in the middle is the pod slot. You can insert the pod just right here. You have your pod and just press it in. Okay, you hear the click sound. It's installed in place. It's ready for use. And here's the power button. You can just long press it for 3 seconds to turn it on or turn it off. And you can press the button, single click the button to switch modes. White for gentle mode, green for balance mode, and blue for boost mode. My personal preference is the balance mode. I usually use it on my dry hair. After I blow dry my hair, I start doing the treatment, but you can also use it on your damp hair. Start with your hairline and move the device from the front to back of the scalp, slowly. Try to make sure all the teeth touch the scalp for the best result. Just do slow motion. You want to cover the entire scalp. You can also repeat the treatments and focus on your concerned areas. For me, I always like to focus on the hairlines, both sides of the front hairline, to make sure these little areas are thoroughly covered. You see, it's very easy to use. In just a few minutes, you can get your treatment done. I like Duo for its easiness and effectiveness. This is the kind of device that I will keep using in my hair care routine. I feel like I don't need to change a lot of things in my hair care routine. I can just do my usual things and add just a couple minutes for this treatment. If you ever experience any hair thinning or any other hair concerns, or simply want to improve your hair for thicker, fuller hair, I think you definitely want to check it out at Laduora. I highly recommend this dual device for your routine. And I have the dual device linked in the video description. My code Chris15 will get you 15% off on your order. That's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find the information helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to use the comment section down here. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye!